ngamba ku kyalo ki obuyinza bwe tunoonya ekyalo hospital zone nsambye wano naise ono opposite bagambye tewabawonye ngambye ekyalo bagambye tewabawonye tebadda bakuwandiika.
I want to first of all bring you greetings from the chairman of the Patriotic League of Uganda, General Kainerugaba. He says that he deliver his greetings to the supporters of the Patriotic League of Uganda and to all Ugandans. One, he has directed me to talk about a few things. I know some people think that I have brought some news because when I reached here, you know, you have been calling me Mtume. Now nobody events has said I am Sabatume. But as you know, the Patriotic League of Uganda has its leadership and the chairman is General Kainerugaba. I am going to talk about a number of issues, like 4 items, and then we shall allow you to ask a few questions. But first of all, I am going to introduce Honorable Michael Mawanda, who is our Director for Mobilization and also member of Parliament for Igara East Constituency. We have our supporters, the supporters of the Patriotic League of Uganda. We are not unveiling our offices today, but that day is soon coming. And the guest of honor shall be the chairman of the Patriotic League of Uganda himself. That one will inform me to also inform the public. Yesterday, those who were in Parliament must have seen Honorable Namara seeking leave of Parliament to introduce a bill, the Administration of Parliament Bill 2026, which is looking forward to having a few changes in the administration of the Parliament Act, in as far as how the leader of the opposition is elected and how the leader of opposition can also be removed from office. Because as you know, the Constitution, the Administration of Parliament Act, the rules of procedure provide how the President can be censured, how the Speaker can be censured, how members of Parliament and ministers can be censured. But the Constitution, the Administration of Parliament Act and the rules of procedure do not provide how the leader of opposition can be removed from office or how he or she can be checked. So the Patriotic League of Uganda, together with the National Resistance Movement MPs, are looking forward to having that in the Administration of Parliament Act. We want to congratulate the Honorable Namara, Honorable Lino Singompeg, and Honorable Okwalinga, who moved this motion. But most importantly, we want to thank the Right Honorable Deputy Speaker of Parliament and the Parliament of Uganda that granted them leave to go and introduce this bill. As Patriotic League of Uganda MPs, we want to pledge our support to the movers of this motion, that we shall support you, and we are looking forward to having a new leader of opposition, and that one we shall achieve it. You don't know us? Now, the other issue, you have seen the operation Ufisadi, Maliza Ufisadi, which has been ongoing, and it is still ongoing. The CDF, who is also the chairman of Patriotic League of Uganda, came out strongly and condemned the corrupt. And he tweeted, as you all saw, that he has risked his life for all these years, for Ugandans to be better, for our country to be better. But it has become a practice for government officials and other people to embezzle government funds, even without good roads, good hospitals, good schools. And you have seen he has started touching on some people. He asked me to inform you that he is still touching on more other people. If you know that you have been involved in embezzling the taxpayers' money, nobody is going to be spared. All of you are going to be arrested, and soon. So those with cameras that do not have batteries, please go and buy your batteries. More are coming to the courts of law. We have seen the president of UPC, the Honorable Akena, insulting the chairman of Patriotic League of Uganda, who is also the CDF, that the CDF should resign. Have you seen that? He said that the CDF should resign. We want to inform the Honorable Akena that the chief of Uganda People's Defense Forces, or the CDF, is not going anywhere, because he has the support of majority Ugandans, because of the following reasons. One, we very much know that the Honorable Akena, I think, must be scared, because his wife has been a minister and is one of those who have maybe this one I should do. She's one of the ministers who have issues. She's one of the ministers who have acquired plots in Kampala, not through proper channels. Akena knows that the CDF, who's also the senior presidential advisor on special operations, may start with his wife. Even if he talks for a week, tell Akena that even if you talk for a year, if your wife was involved in embezzling taxpayers' money, she's not going to be spared. She will be arrested. We know how she has swindled money in the Ministry of Gender. We know how she has acquired illegal plots in Kampala. We know many things, how she has been directing the ministry officials, because we have credible information from the Ministry of Gender that she has been directly involved in the procurement processes of the Ministry of Gender. So that one is going to be looked into, and I know she's not going to be spared. So even if your husband talks for a year, that cannot save you, because you are also surviving on the taxpayers' money, which you have swindled illegally. The plots that you have acquired illegally, everything that you own illegally must be returned for Ugandans. We also want to inform the Honorable Akena that for all the years you have been a chairman of UPC, we want to inform you that you are the one who has killed UPC. UPC was not killed by General Muhoozi Kainerugaba. Actually, we would implore Honorable Akena that in case you may find some issues in handling the affairs of UPC, PLU is big. You can surrender UPC to us. and we help you, because as far as we know, the Patriotic League of Uganda, which was registered recently in 2023, has now 340 MPs. UPC, which I think UPC is one of the oldest political parties in Uganda. How many MPs do they have in parliament? Not more than 10. The Patriotic League of Uganda, which is actually not even a political party, has got 340 subscribers in parliament. So kindly, Mr. Akena, we feel you have embarrassed your father enough. Surrender the political party to PLU so that General Muzikanye can also help you and teach you how political parties are built, how to mobilize for your political party instead of wasting a lot of time. You know that you are in that office illegally. You know who the president of UPC is supposed to be. You know how we have been supported by this government to be in that office. If we withdraw our support, you will cease being a president of UPC in 1 hour. So we do not want to kill UPC, but we just advise you to bring UPC to be under PLU so that we can show you how to mobilize for political parties.